It's time to go beyond what a vehicle can do. Your journey begins not in the car, but in the app, where you can choose the settings that you like. On approach, the car recognizes you thanks to your authenticated device. A spacious interior and 7 seats for the whole family. And your baby is placed in the very middle, the safest place in the whole car. There's enough room for everyone's gadgets. After connecting, your apps and user profiles will be synced to the car. A well-balanced interior space combined with a protective feeling. And designed with perfect ergonomics, which is emphasized by the optimal balance between digital technology and analog controls. For safety, the driver's screen only displays vital vehicle info and is supported by an augmented reality head-up for trip data. When it comes to the infotainment screen, the top half is reserved for important info only. Entertainment options are only shown at the bottom. To reduce on-screen fumbling, analog hard keys allow access to the menu content. And the simple, integrated digital dials can control all kinds of other features, such as temperature, map navigation, menu scrolling, etc. The infotainment screen has 3 different view modes: Home, Basic, and Advanced. They offer varying levels of visual complexity, with the intention of keeping driver distractions down to a minimum. Pop-up air vents quickly change the air quality whenever you need it. Alternative map views keep bored children entertained on long journeys. During a charging stop, it's easy to unwind. The entire interior changes in just one click, allowing you to sit back and relax. And smart surface controls assist you in opening and locking the doors. You can even leave a note for a beloved family member. This is the new Vision 7S from Škoda. We will help the world to live smarter.